Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I'm fixing conch stuffing dressing. If you want to see how I achieve this, I suggest you continue watching. Okay, let's do it. I have 3 conchs and 1 cup of water in this blender, and I'm just gonna allow it to pulse for about 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, then I'm going to turn it into this pot. I don't think you're going to need more time than that. Now, if you want your conch to be more chunky, you can just cut up one of the conchs and just add it to the pot just like this. Cut it up in little cubes. Okay, 1 cup of water into the pot just like that, just to get all of that goodness out. Now that I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes. Do not allow it to boil. If you do, the conch is going to be too chewy. Because I'm going to add it to the oven and that's going to bring it home. Okay, just like that. Just about 2 minutes should do it. The conch is fine. Look at it. See that? That's what you're looking for. Okay, let's put it together now. I have 2 boxes of pork stuffing in this pan, and I'm going to add another one. This dressing that I'm making is for the pork chops, stuffed pork chops. I didn't want to add it on because the video would have been too long, and so I decided to break it up. This is the last box. So that's a total of 3 boxes I'm using for this recipe. Now if you only need to use one, use one. But I have like 6 slices of pork chops, thick slices, and we are big on dressing here, you know. Okay, I'm just gonna add my onions, bell pepper, and the celery to this. Get it all mixed up. Now you need to remember that seasonings are already in this dressing. In the box, yes, they already have seasoning in them, so you don't want to add anything else. Please don't, for God's sake. Parsley, add some parsley. Parsley is in it also. Parsley just gives it that beautiful look. Some garlic. I'm using the minced garlic. If you have the fresh garlic, go ahead. As well as some garlic powder. Now whatever I'm using and you don't want in your dressing, your stuffing, just leave it out. I always say, feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. That's some cornmeal. My recipes are not gospel. Please, what you don't want in yours, just leave it out. You want more of something? You work it, add it on in. Okay. Some butter. Of course, I can't believe it's not butter. 1 tablespoon of that. Mrs. Dash is in the building. Having a 1/2 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. Okay, now I'm just going to combine everything together before adding the liquid. Just like that. This is conch stuffing, dressing. Here is the star, the conch. All right. That was 3 conchs I allowed to simmer. Medium-sized conchs. It is so hard to find conchs these days. So, man, you have to treasure whatever you have. Oh, I saved these conchs just for this recipe, just to share this with you. So the conch is in. So I'm just going to combine everything together. All right. Just to make sure all of the breadcrumbs get a little taste of the conch flavor. Mix it together well. Like I said, no additional seasonings are necessary. Please. This is 3 boxes that I'm using. I don't need anything else. No, nothing. Now, if you want to add, you want to jazz it up a little bit with some pepper. It's a little bit more water, some pepper, black pepper, red pepper flakes, or any type of pepper you like. Feel free to do it. It's your pot. You work it. Work your pot. You work yours because I'm going to work my own. Whatever I want in mind, I'm going to add it in. Whatever I don't want, Melda 242 is leaving it out. Okay, I know what my stomach can take. How does that sound? Okay, get it all mixed up. Now it's time to add it to the pan, the baking dish. So it has already, I've already used most of it for the pork chops, and that's what's left. I'm just gonna squeeze this pan a little bit with this Mazola corn spray. Chopping this up somewhat, and then I'm gonna add it to the pan, the baking pan, the baking dish. Okay, just like that. This is edible now, but we're big on crust. I love the crust. Everyone here loves the crust. This is what is left. Now I'm doing this because my daughter, I have one daughter that doesn't like pork chops. She doesn't eat pork chops. So I have some chicken going on in the oven for her, while the rest of us will have the stuffed pork chops. I'll have 2 of my daughters here with their families, Inspector Bain and the 3 of us. So we are pork chopping it and chickening it today. Pork chops and chicken. Okay, it's some butter. I can't believe it's not butter at the top. That's what I said. You don't need any more additional flavor. No more additional you don't need no more seasoning. Now you cover it down with the foil and allow it to bake for about 10 minutes, 350-degree oven on the middle rack. So I'll check it out after 10 minutes. Just to fluff it up. There you have it. That's after 10 minutes. So I'll just put it back in for about 5 minutes, uncover this time. And this time it's going to get the crust and finish up. Just fluffing it up. Okay. Get a little sample before putting it back in. Okay. There you have it. That's after 5 minutes. It's ready. This is Bahamian Conch stuffing dressing. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.